Look at this. You can see more and more coming in. Get out of the way, Lloyd. Literally, that's how much you can see now. That is started to pick up a bit more. Oh yeah, the theming's going in. Gold colour. So, a lot of things going on, and first time today, I managed to get a family member of mine. You don't see him on TV often, but this is my dad. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. And we've just seen Jack as well, didn't we?
Yes, we did, yes.
Yes.
Hey, very nice man.
He'll be watching that now.
He's very nice, very polite. I always like to see Jack.
Oh yes, it's very good to see, and this is very exciting. And yes, who knows? Will me and Jack be on site eventually? Time will tell. Thorpe Park, please let me and Jack do an update on site from the balcony, please. I can't believe I just left my dad behind because we've got support in the end. Everyone's back there. Whoa, come on! Yeah, that is going to connect to that now. And out there already. Yeah, this is exciting. It's getting higher and higher. This is insane. That's support there. It's massive. Oh, look at this.
We watched that first, the other side, didn't we?
Watch that one where the still next to that's that. I love that. We walked up, they do nothing to it. That's right. You heard the bang going there, right? Just putting something else in it.
So yeah, the theming for the building starts. The golden moment. And I'm interested to know what that hole is. If it's going to be a lake there, or is it going to be whatever they need to do. So yeah, everybody's down here today on a Friday, knowing it's a happy Friday. Celebrate the moment of joy. Looking very, very nice indeed with its powerful, powerful ride. This is where the trains are going to be done. So all the trains will be, yeah. And everybody's still convinced this could be to do something, but I don't think so. Well, unless it is, who knows? I mean, can you imagine all that time those green covers could do something to do with the ride? That'd be quite a moment. Now, what are they doing in there? They've got some covers. Oh yeah, because I do apologise, not the best camera I've got, but they've got something cool in there. I wonder what that is. Oh well, apart from that, let's show you some workers. They're doing some work. They're doing so much good. There's so much pipe. Yeah, still doing good in there. And yeah, there's a lot of work in their station. So yeah, this is looking really good. I can't wait to see what it looks like when I come back in the future. Yeah, this is what we've done so far, but there's a lot to do. But we're going to dash off now because we've got bus to trains. Much as it's a short visit, but at least Dad's seen it now. But then we can only apologise if we have to leave early for those people who've seen us down there. But that's it now. Thanks for watching. Nice to see Jack and everyone down there today. And what do you think of it?
Yeah, very good, really good. Good to see you.
And did you hear the telly? They're on YouTube now. But that's it. Subscribe to see more.
Good to see Jack.
Good to see Jack as well, yes. And could this be the day, hopefully soon, that we will do an update on the Fume platform? Who knows? Comment below if you want to see me and Jack to do an update together at some point. Just comment below if you want to see it.